Welcome back. In this video we will learn about SObject, which means Salesforce object. There are various types of objects in Salesforce. Some are standard and some are custom object that are used to store records data in salesforce.com platform. So what are standard objects? There are some objects which are provided by Salesforce itself when you create a developer edition org. These are the objects which comes created by the orgs itself, are called as standard object, and the objects which you create to implement some business functionality are called as custom objects. So where can you see the list of those custom object and standard objects? For that you have to go to the setup. So for going to setup you have to click on this icon and then click on setup. After that you can click on object manager, and here you can see various objects which are made available by Salesforce itself, and the object which you will create will also appear here. So if you want to create an object, you can click on create and then create the object. And also if you want to add extra field in the object, then you can go to the object itself and click on fields and relationship and create a new field on that. So click on new and then select the data type and then give the name and create the field. So let's learn about some of the standard object and why are they there in the Salesforce. So for that, let's go to, first of all, go to app manager, app launcher, and then click on any application. So I am using sales application for explaining you. Now here let's talk about 4 objects which are leads, opportunities, contacts and accounts. So what is a lead? So when you set up a campaign, there are various people which will attend your campaign and they might give their information to you. So you might be storing this information in the form of Google Forms or in any document or in any page. So when you get those information, they act as a potential customers or leads. So you indirectly you are storing the information in the form of leads. Now when you try to contact your leads, and if they are interested in your business, then you convert the leads into opportunities. So now the second object is opportunities. We are trying to convert the leads into opportunities as they wants to buy our service or our products. When you convert the leads into opportunity, we also see the option of accounts and contacts. So account is the name of the business with which you are name of the business which you are trying to do the business, and the contact is the person to whom you are contacting. So these are the 4 types of objects which are standard, and there are other objects here also. This is campaigns, tasks, opportunities, etc. So now let's learn how to declare a standard object in our org. So there is a internet issue with my side, so we will learn about it in the next video. Thank you very much.